Welcome back to my channel, T Thompson Styled It, where we keep fashion on a budget. So listen up, fashion lovers. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to keep your blouse sleek and neat. And we're going to keep this outfit on point, okay? Now listen, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on a notification bell so that you are notified of every single video that I drop. You already know what time it is. Let's go. So this is the way this blouse started out looking. I got this blouse from Shein and it was $8. The blouse is a pretty long blouse. It can be worn tucked in or out. It was shown on the model as being worn out. So I wanted to show you guys what you can do to make this blouse look a little better. And the only thing you would need is a hair scrunchie. Yeah, no. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is gather the back of your shirt together, just like I'm showing you here. And I wrapped my scrunchie around 3 times. It wasn't tight, but it was pretty snug. So next, for this first look, what you want to do is leave the front out just like it is, and we're going to tuck the back part of the shirt where the scrunchie is into our skirt. Now you just want to go along the back part of the shirt and tuck the rest of the shirt in around the back and around the sides. Don't even worry about this giving you a bulky look, because it's not even going to do that at all. So this is how the first style is looking. We left the front part of the shirt out and the back part we tucked in. So this look is much neater and much cleaner than just leaving the blouse out as I've shown you before. So moving on to style number 2, we're going to take the same scrunchie on the back and we're going to tuck this into our skirt just how we did before. Only this time we're going to tuck the shirt all the way around, the back and the front. Now don't worry about tucking this neat, just tuck it in there and then just look at your shirt and see how it's looking. If it's looking too bunched up in the front or the side, just go around and pull on your shirt until you get your desired look. This look is very easy and very simple to do. Now girl, don't that look so much better? It just gives a more polished look. I love it. As always, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. I hope that I have shown you something that you probably did not know before. And listen, if you have any comments for me, please leave them down below this video. And as always, I will have everything I'm wearing here linked in the description box so you guys can go ahead and cop some of these items. Please note that as an Amazon associate, I will earn from you using any links that I have linked down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.
You
So on a side note, I also got these shades from Shein and they were $4. Go perfectly with this outfit.